Hey, good morning my friends, how are you? So I've got the top coat on our little rocket tank here. I'm going to have a look. We've just gone with a 4BO by Mr. Colour. It's come up pretty good. As you can see, not too bad. So the next step will be putting on a filter and see how that comes up. Also we've got to, I don't think I'll put any decals on this one. And I've just started to blacken up the other details. So the wheels and the tracks and some of the tools and stuff on the fenders there. Also got to do the little exhaust pipe underneath. But I've just used, this is my favourite 4BO, is Mr. Colour. Russian 4BO. I've just put it in another easier to use bottle. But yeah, that's Mr. Colour 4BO. It's probably one of my favourite ones. And I highlighted it with this one here, the SMS German Yellow Green. But I also made a third colour, which is, it's a mix between these two. So it's a halfway point. And yeah, a lot of the raised panels and stuff like that got a fair bit of the yellow green. Oh, there it comes. That's that. So I'm starting to put the metal on there. Do the other side. Got some of the rockets. They got these tiny little decals, so they're going to be interesting to put on. But yeah, it looks really good. I'm liking how it comes up. I'm liking it a lot. And this Mr. Colour acrylic lacquer is really good. Like, I accidentally put my finger in the paint under here, and I thought, oh, I'm gonna have to come back and sand it back and all that kind of stuff. But when I came back a few hours later, my fingerprint was completely gone. You cannot see nothing there, can you? Really nice paint. And I have even been considering going to Mr. Colour as my main acrylic lacquer. I still use SMS, which is really good, but Mr. Colour is something special. So I might get some more of that stuff as time goes on. You know, get some, instead of getting so much SMS, I'll get some more Mr. Colour, I think. Because they're also their tones and everything, it just really comes up really nice. Alright my friends, I'm going to put a filter on it now. See if we've got a filter here I can show you. This MIG stuff is really good. MIG. I've got some different ones. There's just so many around. Oh yeah, this one. I'll use this filter here. Brown for dark green. And we'll just put this all over it and let that go. See what happens. Alright, I'll speak to you again very soon.